How to get an auto insurance quote on Progressive Insurance. Hello and welcome back everybody. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial to do so whether you want to do it online. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So you can head over to your browser and directly go to Progressive quote page. So type in progressive.com and log in into your account if you're not logged in. And then within here we'll be finding this page directly. Now from here we can directly look out for Progressive official auto insurance quote page. We can directly look out for this auto page and go ahead and click on it, and we'll be finding this section right here. So in this enter a zip code section, we can start a quote by entering up a zip code. So go ahead and enter it up. And once you have entered it up, you will be finding different options such as home, condo, renters, etc. You can just go over and provide such kind of basic info as well. And start by clicking on this option called Get a Quote, or a similar button to begin. And we'll be finding this section where we can start up our auto quote and see how much we can save. So provide in this necessary details: your first name and your middle name if there is any, and your last name and suffix. After that, your date of birth and your primary email address. Once it's done, just go and click on continue. And the online tool will ask you easy questions and let you customize coverage like liability, collision, comprehensive, and more as you go, giving you a rate estimate tailored to your needs. You can just go over and do so and fill in your personal and vehicle information as well to get an accurate quote, such as a driver's age and history, your vehicle details, how often and where you drive, any past tickets or accidents, etc. And go ahead and provide all the accurate information. After that is done, you will be getting an auto insurance quote on Progressive Insurance very easily. You can just head over and follow the steps, follow the prompts they will be asking, continue one by one, and that will help you. So that's it everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.